Super quick unboxing of this Roland instrument cable. That's a gold series, so I guess because it's got gold ends, it's pretty more an unwinding than an unboxing, but this is the package it comes in, so sort of durable cardboard exterior. You can obviously see the product, you can feel the product. Feels really nice quality. Let's have a look at the back. So this is the 1.5 meters. It comes in a variety of lengths. Gold series audio cables are engineered to accurately transmit the purest signal detail without contamination or interference to your tone. Our custom 24-karat gold-plated connectors assure the cleanest, most precise sound. So high-quality cables. I really can't remember how much I paid for this, but I didn't want to get a quality brand. Obviously, Roland is one of the industry sort of leaders, and certainly trusted. Gold series. It's got gold on the end, so it's got to be good, right? Quality feels fantastic. Let's get it unwound, and let's see how. Well, it's going to be quite careful. I'm going to get some scissors for this actually, because I don't want to damage the cable. So we'll just gently snip these cable ties. So cable ties are now snipped. Just noticed lifetime guarantee as well. So again, pointing to quality. So we've snipped those, and when we get it out, I guess we have to sort of loosen this back plate as well. So it's pretty secure. The cable ties are pretty tough, so they're not going to accidentally come undone. Let's get this open without cutting ourselves on the staples. Two cable ties off. It comes with a little strap, little Roland branded strap, little Velcro strap. These are really useful to keep your cables tidy. Let's undo that, and it'll link to one side of the cable so it doesn't get lost. Oh, another cable tie. As if by magic, the cable tie is now undone. So 3 cable ties it comes on. And here is the cable. So it's a kind of a braided cable with nice orange accents to it. So it's sort of grey black. It feels a bit like a climbing rope actually. We've got a little Rig 5 there, Roland printed on the rubber. I mean, it just screams quality. I mean, real 10 out of 10 quality this. Nothing about it feels cheap. There's a 1.5 meter length, as I said. It comes, I think I've got a 7.5 meter. I think I've got a 30 centimeter. I mean, it really does come in a whole load of sizes. So that's what you get. Without even testing it, I would thoroughly recommend it. So 100%, 10 out of 10, recommended by